So, where'd you go? I didn't go anywhere. You want to tell me about it?
I was just thinking of like past memories. Sorry, look at me crying like a fool.
We got 7-Up, Dr. Pepper. Apple juice!
7-Up.
This must be pretty hard, huh?
Yeah.
And take care of your sister.
Yeah.
Y'all get along good?
Yeah, we get along good. I don't mind the part of me taking care of her. It's just hard knowing what the future holds. Alright,
So, where'd you go? You want to tell me about it?
Yeah.
I'm really sorry, I usually ask things that I really shouldn't ask at age.
So, do you and your sister get along well?
Of course, she's my sister.
Well, do you like part taking care of her?
Yeah, I don't mind it really.
Really? That's a good relationship.
Have some apple juice.